Today topic 12th chapter circle, textbook page number 262. In the figure, first question, in the figure which circle are congruent to the circle A? Which one is the circle congruent? See, simple question. Circle E is congruent to circle A. Is the congruent of circle A. Second question, what measures of the circle make them congruent? Answer, radius of circles determine their congruency. Radius of the circle determines their congruency. Simple questions. Next, textbook page number 266, 12th chapter, circles. Try this sum. Sum. In a circle with center O, AB is the chord and M is its midpoint. Now prove that OM is perpendicular to AB. Hint given. Join OA and OB. Consider triangles OAM and OBM. Solution. See here. Okay. Now O is the center of the circle. Okay. AB is a chord. M is its midpoint. Okay. Now in triangle OMA and triangle OMB, so OA is equal to OB is the radii. So OM is equal to OM is common. Next, MA is equal to MB given. Okay, therefore OMA is equal to triangle OMB is the SSS congruence. SS congruence side. Therefore OMA is equal to OMB. So CP CT. So but angle OMA is and angle OMB are linear pair. So therefore angle OMA is equal to angle OMB is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. So that is OM is AB. Okay, this is the sum, theory sum. Next sum, textbook page number 268, chapter 12. Chapter 12. Try this sum. Here, in 3 points are collinear, how many circles can be drawn through these points? Now try to draw a circle passing through these 3 points. Okay. See, solution. If 3 points are collinear, we cannot draw a circle passing through these points. Okay. Next question. 269, 12th chapter. Try this sum. See sum. If the figure O is the center of the circle and AB is equal to CD, OM is the perpendicular on bar AB and bar ON is the perpendicular on CD, then prove that OM is equal to ON. See, observed figure. Observe this figure. See here. Solution. O is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Chord AB is equal to CD. AB equal to CD. OM equal to AB. ON is equal to CD. Okay. ON. Both are CD and AB. So OB is equal to OC, radi, and BM is equal to CN. This means half AB and it's equal to half CD. Okay. See, BM means what here? BM and CN. These are, what is that? Half of that. Both are half of that. So, angle OMB is equal to angle ONC. Is both are 90 degrees. OMB, ONC. So, triangle OMB is equal to ONC. This is RHS congruence. So, therefore, OM is equal to ON CP CT. Understand? Very easy question, theory questions. These are figure depending on questions. Okay. Now, I am asking the questions. The 12 chapters completed. Only they are given 5 questions that all are explained. 4 questions. 4 are explained. Now I am asking the exam questions now. Very easy questions give. This past 10th chapter also I am given the questions for that. 5 questions, and 11th chapter I given 3 questions only. Now at 12th chapter I given the 5 questions. These answers are comment section commented. First question, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle, bar AB is the chord in the triangle. OAB show that angle OAB is the OBA is equal or not. Depending on the figure can prove it. Prove the angle subtended by semicircle is 90 degrees. Next theory question. Define the circle. Third question. Fourth one. Prove that a cyclic rhombus is a square. This one. Figure. Square is formed here DC and OAB. Fifth question. In the given figure, AB is the diameter if angle 30 degrees, find the angle B. Here angle is 30 degrees, find the angle B. So today completed 12th chapter. So meet the total ninth class 14 chapters is there. Today completed 12th chapter and started 13th chapter in the next video. And this ninth class try this do this try think discuss sums are complete after I'm started 10th class. Okay, don't miss the videos and comment section comment that. Meet to next video. Thank you. Every question answer is sent to me in the comment section. Doubts also. Thank you.